Hi, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware. What I have here is a VEA 900 megahertz transmitter assembly, and it comes with the battery pack and the wires to go to your push button. The part number for this transmitter is 10td900pb. This is available at autodoorandhardware.com. This 900 megahertz transmitter is very efficient. It has quite a long range. And any of those automatic doors out there that you have where maybe your signal from your push button is not getting to the door opener, it works sometimes and maybe not other times, could be subject to radio interference. Or it could just be that it's an old style that's maybe 300 megahertz or 433. The 300 is probably the lowest on the end of transmitter frequencies. 433 is much better, and the 900 is the ultimate. This generally will take care of any automatic door out there that is having the intermittent problems where the push plate works sometimes and not others. Although you can purchase this at autodoorandhardware.com if you have a different frequency transmitter, such as 300 or 433, anything other than 900. In order to use this 900 megahertz transmitter, you have to also replace the receiver in the automatic door. Now, it is possible too on an automatic door to run two different receivers in there and just have everything parallel when the wiring is hooked up. So it's possible to have a 300 megahertz receiver and a 900 megahertz receiver, whereas maybe you're still wanting to use your interior push button that's 300 megahertz because it works all the time, but the exterior one doesn't work all the time, so you may want to replace it and install the 900. And then in that situation, you just buy a receiver and parallel it in the automatic door along with the 300 megahertz receiver, and then install the new 900 megahertz transmitter. This VEA 900 megahertz transmitter I consider one of the best in the industry. This can be purchased at autodoorandhardware.com.